Sanded so it can bond to the glue. Now just a screw. All screws in. Starting to take some shape. Holes drilled. Scuffed so the glue sticks. One half of the cleat glued on, fastened in place. Use blocks to screw through and hold it tight. More sanding, make sure the glue bonds to the other pieces. Get the screws all staged in the bottom to put the angle piece on. Screws are a little long, but they'll get cut off. Just got to do the other side before everything sets. And some screws do stick out, but those will get cut off the grinder. But looks good so far. I'll cut off. And each spot sanded just to make sure nothing sharp could possibly come through. Just paint the inside so they can't really be seen, because hopefully we can have some open cavities here for storage. Not painting the whole thing through, but this way you can't see through. There, got both sides painted. Did the back because the fabric will not be covering that. And then this side is done, and just used the rest of it just to seal up some of the wood in the front. And we also have the fan going. You can see it's actually collecting the paint vapors onto that, so that way we don't have to breathe it in. All right, all ready for foam and fabric. Forgot to record it, but I used glue, this glue, and I put the first layer of foam on here and some clamps just to hold it in place till the glue sets up. Foam is all on and gluing. I was a little bit short, so actually I had this nice soft foam that I put in the middle there. But now I just gotta wait for the glue to dry and everything should be on. Then we can start with the fabric. Glue is all set and ready for fabric. Fabric is draped on it. Hard to see it, but the whole bottom has been stapled on and the top was stapled on. And we have a board in the middle to hold some weight to keep it in the general shape. Okay, one end is all done and tucked up nice and neat and fastened. Now the other end. All right, looking pretty good. This end is done. I got my little holder in the middle